Ever wondered if Pinterest is still a thing? Well, I grew an account from 0 to over 1 million monthly views in just a few months. And today, I'm spilling all the tea on how I did it. Spoiler alert, it's not as hard as you think. And the traffic it can drive is insane. So, let's start from the beginning. Why Pinterest? Unlike other platforms where your content has a lifespan of a few hours, Pins can drive traffic for months, even years. It's a visual search engine, not just a social network. People go there to find ideas, plan purchases, and get inspired. That means they're already in a buying or doing mindset, which is pure gold for any business or creator. My strategy was built on 3 core pillars: keyword research, consistent pinning, and creating eye-catching visuals. Let's break them down. First, keywords. Just like Google, Pinterest runs on search. Before I created any content, I spent hours researching what my target audience was searching for. I use Pinterest's own search bar. Just start typing a topic and see what suggestions pop up. Those are your golden keywords. I also looked at what top accounts in my niche were ranking for. I built a huge list of these keywords and organized them into categories. Next up, consistency. This is probably the most important part. Pinterest loves active accounts. I aim to pin between 15 to 25 times per day. Now, before you panic, I didn't create 25 new pieces of content every day. That would be impossible. The key is a mix of my own new content and repinning relevant, high-quality content from other creators. I used a scheduling tool to plan my pins in advance, which was a total game changer. I could batch create and schedule a whole week's worth of pins in just a couple of hours. This kept my account active without me being glued to my phone 24/7. And the third pillar, killer visuals. Pinterest is a visual platform, so your images and videos have to stop the scroll. I focused on creating vertical pins because they take up more screen space on mobile. The ideal size is a 2 to 3 aspect ratio, like 1000 by 1500 pixels. I always added a text overlay with a clear, curiosity-inducing headline. Think 5 mistakes you're making or the ultimate guide to. This tells people exactly what they'll get by clicking. I also made sure my branding was consistent, using the same fonts and colors so my pins were instantly recognizable. So what were the results? In the first month, I was getting a few thousand monthly views. By month 3, that number exploded to over 1.2 million monthly viewers. More importantly, my website traffic from Pinterest skyrocketed, leading to a huge increase in email subscribers and sales. It proved that with a solid strategy, Pinterest is an incredibly powerful tool for growth. It's not about just pinning pretty pictures. It's about treating it like a search engine and providing value. To recap, do your keyword research, be incredibly consistent with your pinning schedule, and create beautiful, clickable pins with text overlays. If you're not using Pinterest for your business or blog yet, you are seriously missing out. It takes a bit of work to set up, but the long-term, passive traffic is absolutely worth it. I hope this case study was helpful and inspired you to give Pinterest a real shot. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next video.